Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. Today we're going to take a look at the new model Dakeya DA03 electric bike 26-inch right here. Let's get started. All those videos usually start from something basic and at the same time very important detail. So that would be a battery, of course, but that's going to be later. For now, we are looking at a dual motor system. 5,000 watt front wheel motor right here. Come on, take a look at this. It's right here. Right there. At the same time, we have another 5,000 watt motor, the rear motor, and both motors can be used at the same time, simultaneously, or separately in 3 different modes. It's up to you. And again, it's something that we're looking at 96 Newton meter of torque. That's very impressive. And at the same time, this bike, the big boy, can climb up the slope of 45-degree. That's incredible. 45-degree slope. That's really good for me. Battery and charging. The bicycle features a 60-volt 25 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery comprising 64 high-efficiency 5,000 milliampere-hour cells in a 16S4P configuration with a total capacity of 1,500 watt-hours. It offers a maximum range of 75 miles, rated IP5 for water resistance. The battery is paired with a 60 ampere 2.5 Ah fast charger that achieves full charge within 8 to 9 hours under safe charging conditions. Sometimes you may be somewhere in dark places. Maybe it could be night, especially if you're in some northern latitudes. So for us, safety of course matters. So which is why we have this big lamp, 3.9-inch huge lamp installed right here, LED light, and at the same time, if I'm gonna turn it on like this, as you can see, right, very bright, 600 lumens. That's the illumination level that we are going to achieve using this lamp right here. And at the same time, special optical acoustic system in case of our horn system. That's another very good for our safety on the road. Be safe, stay safe, let's keep going. And of course, it's coupled with another very important part of safety, and that's the tail light. Another LED technology that is now almost everywhere. So if I'm going to use the brakes, you can see it's going to light up, and that's incredibly important. Now, Dakeya DA03 has adjustable aluminum alloy oil spring suspension. So the front fork, 4.7 inches of range. So get closer, take a look at it. So if I'm going to press it down, we can see the range here. So it can be locked just like that. And now it's not moving. And of course, can also be customized like this. So the damping level, the resistance, it's all right here. Now, central suspension. This is one of the most important features of this particular bike. So featuring a 6.5-inch length and 2-inch range, this design effectively absorbs road shocks and vibrations with a maximum load capacity of 1,000 pounds. It is well suited for heavy-duty applications. This configuration balances riding comfort with practical load-bearing utility, enhancing the overall user experience. Well, as you can see, that's very impressive. Now, looking at our handlebar, this is our everyday convenience because we're going to use it all the time, daily, wherever and whenever we go somewhere. So we're looking at the front display. This is the main computer, right? Even though the brains are all here downwards, but it's not important for now. So what we have, the main screen, right? We have the brake lever, another lever here. We have the speed switch. We have 7 speeds right here. We have the ignition switch right here. The motor switch, the speeds again, right? And basically the lights and the horn all are here for our convenience. Super simple, super handy, very comfortable. Dakeya DA03 incorporates a very comfortable design. This is called ergonomic design. So it's adjustable for let's say 1.5 to 2.2 meter tall people. So the range is basically for everybody. Okay, and when it comes to some travel, maybe you'd like to, just like me, for example, install some additional bags here, right? It's incredible convenience because the rear rack is stainless steel, of course, and it can withstand 450 pounds. That's a very impressive weight. I don't know if you can carry such huge guy, maybe like me, for example, but anyway. So that's another convenience. Fitted with 4.0 all-terrain, fully tubed tires. Those ones are a really good choice for me because in my case, when I use a bike within the city, within the park like this one, it could be pavement, could be, I don't know, grass or whatever surface it is, it provides me with full contact with the surface, and that's the stability and safety that I told you about. Check it out. So in conclusion, what can we say about this bike? Well, I've mentioned a lot about the specifications. We have dual motor system right here. We have a breathable seat. We have a huge rack that's gonna carry like 450 pounds. We have a lot of electronics right here. We have huge batteries, 75-mile range, like the 4.7 inch. This is incredible. Yes. But at the same time, we also understand that these are just words to some people, which is why I have to mention that this particular bike is fully certified. It's UL2849, official safety international standard. And the bike fits the standard. So it means that there's no headache, everything is good, you're safe and sound, enjoy the ride. Till the next one, stay awesome.